In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create event registration page on Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open your site dashboard. Once you are inside, look to the left side menu. Depending on the version of Squarespace you are using, you may see website or pages. Click there to access the area where you manage the structure of your site and add new content. Next, find the main navigation section. This is where the primary pages of your website live. Click the plus icon next to main navigation to add a new page. Squarespace will open a menu with different page types you can create. From that list, select Events. After that, choose the layout style that works best for your site. The layout controls how your events page will appear to visitors, so pick the one that fits the look and feel you want. Once the events page has been created, click on that new events page in the sidebar. This will open the event management area for that page. From here, you can begin adding the actual event that people will register for. At the top of the event side panel, click the plus icon again to create a new calendar item. This is where you set up the details for your event. Enter the title of your event clearly so visitors know exactly what they are signing up for. Then choose the start date and end date. If your event happens on a single day, make sure the timing reflects that. You will also want to configure the time details carefully so there is no confusion for attendees. After the basic event information is in place, move into the Canvas editor to build out the event content. Use text blocks to write the event description. This is where you can explain what the event is about, who it is for, and what attendees can expect. Keep the wording clear and organized so visitors can quickly understand the value of the event. As you add your text, make sure the most important information is easy to read. A simple, direct description usually works best for registration pages because it helps people decide quickly and confidently. Once you have completed those details, your event page is set up and ready for the next stage of customization if needed. That covers everything you need to know.